Hinahanap mo ba na property ay may affordable na amortization at located sa Cavite? Matibay na 2-story townhouse at provision for 2 bedroom. If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. As you can see, meron tayong enough space for living at dining area. And for our toilet and bath, meron na itong complete fixture. Approximately 60 minutes drive ito going to PITX and 30 to 45 minutes drive ito going to Tagaytay. Kaya naman Tagaytay feels ang climate natin dito. At napakataas ng location na ito, kaya presko ang hangin. Tamang-tama ito for residential, rental, Airbnb, at pwede ring rest house. Located ito along Naik Indang Road for as low as 6,000 sa monthly equity at 8,000 sa monthly amortization. Available ito through Pag-ibig Financing at ang required basic monthly income natin dito ay 29,000. Guys, pwede tayong mag-add ng co-borrower para ma-meet natin ang required basic monthly income. Provision ito for 2 bedrooms. Kaya naman if interested ka, just send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing, mama. Bye-bye!